In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Gem Forex Hus B V1.10 MT5 on my RoboForex account for months. And zounds, it's gemmed my gains to plus 29.92% with the panache of a parodic Bollinger Bandit. A Telegram Tatler trumpeted it as the EA that squeezes profits from bands like a jewel thief, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Gem Forex Glittering Guardian. The zip folder for the Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10. MT5 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX5 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10 MT5 to major pairs M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10. MT5 parades its plus 29.92%. Absolute gain escapade on RoboForex, ballooning deposits into $7,554.90 balance with steady profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.01% chuckles, monthly 5.33% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners. Way above the 60% benchmark for multi-pair bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10 MT5's built-in Bollinger Band precision and friendly backtesting that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net profit solid. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 13.96% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions. Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, and giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 29% plus monthly without the heart attacks, this Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10 MT5 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gem Forex BBEAV 1.10. MT5 on MT5 with ticks from September 25 data. And, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $4,032.64, gross profits $12,691.06, edging out losses of negative $8,658.42 for that clean edge. Trades total balanced. Win rate high overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps.